is that India's rainfall pattern is unevenly distributed. So what are the general trends in the rainfall regionally in India? So what is the reason behind the dryness of Rajasthan? So today's topic is rainfall patterns in India on the spatial ground or regional ground. Is that India's rainfall pattern is unevenly distributed. Some areas have surplus rain and some areas have deficit rains. So what are the general trends in the rainfall regionally in India? So in northern plains, if we move from the east to west or from Assam to Punjab, rainfall is on decreasing order. And when we are observing the peninsular plateau of India, when we're moving from the coastal areas towards the interior, both east coast as well as from the west coast, in the interiors rainfall decreases. These are two general trend in the rainfall pattern. One question comes out, why the Meghalayan region, Mawsyn Ram, Cherrapunji in the eastern part of India is the wettest point in the entire world, and the average rainfall is around 1200 centimeter in this area. And when the record of the world highest rainfall was been there of 2600 centimeter in that year. So why it is the wettest, both Mawsyn Ram and Cherrapunji? There are two factors for its wetness. Number one is the topographic conditions. So you know this Mawsyn Ram and Cherrapunji region is located in the north-south valley, having a kind of a funnel-shaped topography created by Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills, and that receive the rain water from two sources, one from the Bay of Bengal and second from the Assam Brahmaputra valley. And when on the slopes of the mountains, the moisture laden wind rises and causing an orographic rainfall. So around more than 12 centimeter rainfall per year is being caused in this. And when you are observing the western part of India, third region of Rajasthan, it's the driest point is observed. So the rainfall is recorded around 10 centimeter in an entire year. So what is the reason behind the dryness of Rajasthan or third regions? There are 3-4 factors which is producing and maintaining the third region desert conditions. Number one, the position of the Aravallis and the southwest monsoonal winds. Southwest monsoonal winds run parallel to the Aravalli ranges, and no orographic blockage of the southwest monsoonal wind took place, and as a result, area received no much orographic rainfall and area remained dry. This is the first cause. Second cause for the third region desert is the southwest. That entire region is very close to the Arabia or close to the African Horn of Africa, so that it is, and even the Tropic of Cancer passes very close to it, and it is an extension of subtropical high pressure zone or warm anticyclonic conditions. Since warm anticyclonic conditions are persisting, that is restricting in the rise of convectional moisture upward, restricting cyclonic rain, and finally warm anticyclone restrict both the kind of rainfall, cyclonic rain as well as convectional rainfall, and area will turn into a desert, and that's why the third desert exists. Then third reason is that geography is warm, but the local moistures which has been contributed in the past by Indus River or Saraswati River, it's been lost due to plate tectonic movement. So now what happened, like when the Indian plate strike the Eurasian plate and the Aravallis get positioned like this, and the Indus River shifted westward and falls into Karachi, and Saraswati River completely lost. So no local moisture much available, and this area become an inland drainage system. And finally, in spite of heating, there is no convectional rainfall. So the dry years blows in that area. So I hope you get the three reasons. One is no convectional rain, no cyclonic rain, and no orographic rain. That's why your third region of Rajasthan become dry. Thank you all of you.